Hi everyone, welcome to our class, LEC for the Online and Blended Teacher. I'll be your facilitator for this course. My name is Imasumak Parañon Davis. It's a long name, I know, so Ima is fine. Co-facilitating this course with me is my colleague, Sue Christensen. Let's jump in and see what we're getting into for the next 8 weeks. The Alliance is composed with organizations such as computer-using educators, universities such as Fresno Pacific, and ED organizations such as County Office of Education. The Alliance is now countrywide, including voices from Ohio and Florida. There are currently 4 areas of certification offered by LEC: Online and Blended Teacher, Administrator, Digital Educator, Professional Learning Leader. Today, we are going to review LEC for the Online and Blended Teacher, but I do want to make sure everyone is aware of the other offerings. So what is LEC OBT? It is professional development that was developed using the INACO standards. We focus on how to integrate tools that improve teaching and learning. The INACO standards are from the International Association for K-12 Online Learning and focus from technical skills to instructional design. We usually run 1 module a week, making this an 8-week class. After all modules are completed, you will prepare a portfolio, which you are given another week to complete, even though the work is done. Each module includes a discussion board, a project, and a reflection. Let's take a look at the assignment expectations. Course assignments, as you can see, are pass or no pass. Portfolio assignments are based on a 3-point rubric. Expectations: need score of 3 to pass LEC. Will work with you if you don't score a 3. For your portfolio, there are 1 of these in each module. You build your portfolio as you go through the course, and then we'll put it all together in a portfolio. Expect the workload to be about 6 to 8 hours per week. These are the assignments that you will see in each of your modules. As you look at the assignments, don't worry, you will get ample support to create these assignments. This is what the total workload will look like for the 8 weeks. Let's head over to our class and see how things are set up in Haiku. When you sign in, you'll land on the welcome page. Any announcements will show up here. To the left, you will find pages to our class. As you can see, a lot of the information you need to be successful in our class will be here. For example, if you want to see a list of the assignments and when they are due, you have the checklist here. Our class syllabus is also here. And of course, you have rubrics and tutorials here as well. These will all support you in completing our class. Each module is on a page and will open up each week. On each page, you will find the textbook readings for that module. It is important that you keep up with the readings for each module. You will be expected to use the information learned in the textbook in your responses to your discussions and questions. You will also find any discussions, reflections, and assignments for that module that you need to complete. On the first page of each module, you will find assignments for that module that you need to complete as well. For our first module, your first discussion will be to introduce yourself to the group. You will also be completing your first reflection. Feel free to use your blog for your reflections and just post a link to your blog in your reflection. If you choose to blog, I have a page for you to consider reviewing. Here you will find resources to help you if you're considering blogging. I do want to mention a protection that might be enabled in your browser. If you notice, there should be videos here, but we can't see them. If that happens to you, check in the top left-hand corner of your browser, or depending on the browser you might have, it might be on the right-hand side, look for a lock or a privacy symbol. In this case, it's a shield. Tap on this symbol and disable protection. Now, if you refresh your page, your videos will show up. Grading will be determined using rubrics. Each module has a rubric you can review as you complete your work. To review your grades for each module, go to the Assess tab, and you'll find your grades here. For each grade posted, your grade will be next to your name and assignment. Take some time to explore our class, and any questions you have, feel free to use our class inbox to write me a message. Finally, I am pretty active on Twitter. Please feel free to follow me or Sue on Twitter and share with us your Twitter handle as well. And with that, we'll see you online.